Hey guys, today we're going to be moving the Skyline from here to the new garage. As you guys knew from the Cougar video, we already have been clearing out the garage. It doesn't really look like it, but we're going to move all of this shit today, starting with this. So we got someone coming to tow it, and yeah, be sure to stick around to the end of the video and you can get in on our detailing kit giveaway for 100 subscribers. And yeah, we're just gonna get this loaded up onto the trailer, and we've been filling the back of the truck with parts for this. And then we've got these bins here, and I got a bunch more, all full of Skyline parts. And we're just cleaning up the garage, getting rid of stuff that we don't need at the same time as we're moving everything. And then, so all the Skyline stuff's gonna be in, for the most part, all the engine stuff's gonna be in neatly organized boxes. We got the engine over here. We're gonna be bringing that over later as well. And overall, we're gonna have a lot more space at the new place. It's a 3-bay garage, and the Cougar went into storage, which means I can just pull whatever cars that are in there out, and then we have a 3-bay garage to work on this. So give us a lot more room than like the 1.5 feet that we've had on the other side this entire time. So it's gonna be really, really nice. And yeah, we're gonna just pack things up and we'll see you guys over there. I said, you know what, I really thought the next time I saw it do this, it would be on its way to paint. Cool that it just does this and I don't have to do anything. It feels weird watching other people do things that I should be doing.
Right? Well, because we're used to do it, having to do all this. Except now the back end of the car is straight coming off there.
Don't say that.
Because it's not on an angle like the other one.
And here we are, all back on dollies in the new garage. And here's the new garage. As you can see, plenty of space. And yeah, so I think stuff like tools and toolboxes are gonna be over there, and then maybe some shelving or something, who knows. But there's plenty of room for activities. Gonna be able to actually work on the car easily. Today we are doing an official announcement of our 100 subscriber giveaway. This came in the other day, and what this is a Chemical Guys, I think a 16-piece detailing kit. This will go to one lucky commenter on this video. And basically the way we're gonna do it is I want you to comment below something that you're looking forward to seeing on the channel. Give the video a like, make sure you're subscribed, and share the video with any friends you think might be interested, because we are only doing this giveaway once we get to 100 subscribers. We're currently at 50. So any of your friends who you think might be interested in following the channel, be sure to get them in on it. Everything in this detailing kit is what will be sent to you. And then, so we've got 3 microfiber towels, waffle weave drying chamois, wash mitt, foam blaster. I got the one for the hose instead of the pressure washer because I wanted to make sure no matter what, whoever got this could actually use it. Wheel brush, foam applicator, silicone shine protectant for vinyl and rubber, Diablo wheel cleaner, honeydew snow foam for the foam cannon there, blast cleaner, speed wipe quick detailer, butter wet whack, and then you've got the wash bucket that comes with this little dirt trap, so your wash mitt there doesn't get full of contaminants and scratch up your car. And basically, yeah, so the only rules are that you have to be in the US or Canada to enter, as I'm paying for all of this out of pocket, and I currently can't afford to send this overseas, as well as the fact that you can only enter one time. I will be filtering out for multiple comments, so if you commented a bunch, it's not going to help you out any, so spamming is not really going to do you any good. The comment will be randomly picked with a comment picking generator thing. I'll pick and contact the winner as at the end of like a future video after we get to 100 subs. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I really appreciate you guys checking out the channel, and those of you who've returned viewing, I really appreciate it. The easiest way for us to get to the 100 subscribers is if you guys have any friends that you think would enjoy the videos, just showing them that and sharing it would be really helpful. I just wanted to say one more time, thank you so much for continuing to check out the channel and watch all the content. And I'll see you guys next time.
Keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no.